Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous boat. It's a 21-foot Robalo 206 Cayman. Center console loaded up, always garage kept. One cool thing about this boat, it's got the tongue up front that folds in so you can fit it in your garage. Got a mini Kota Copilot trolling motor. Live well, loaded up. It's got the 150 Yamaha in the back. Got two live wells. Little stand back here so you can kind of cast off the back. It has seats that fold up. Everything's in gorgeous condition. Got T-top, dual lights, Garmin, 110 hours. 101 hours. Wow. Just fired up for you. This thing's like brand new. 101 hours. Wow. That is killer. Plenty of room up here to stand. This is a great all-around fishing boat. Got 4 batteries. Trolling motor's 24 volts. Beautiful shape. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out the boat on our main website, so weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.